Hare Krishna everyone, we are continuing to read the Teachings of Lord Kapila, the book by His Divine Grace, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Chapter 8, Bhakti Yoga, the Supreme Yoga System. Text 14. Tamimante pravakshyami yamavocham puranaghe rishinam shrotu kamanam Yogam Sarvanga Naipunam. Translation. O most pious Mother, I shall now explain unto you the ancient yoga system, which I explained formerly to the great sages. It is serviceable and practical in every way. Purport. The Lord does not manufacture a new system of yoga. Sometimes it is claimed that someone has become an incarnation of God and is expounding a new theological aspect of the absolute truth. But here we find that although Kapila Muni is the Lord himself and is capable of manufacturing a new doctrine for his mother, he nevertheless says, quote, I shall just explain the ancient system that I once explained to the great sages, because they were also anxious to hear about it. Unquote. When we have a super excellent process already presented in Vedic scriptures, there is no need to concoct a new system, to mislead the innocent public. At present, it has become a fashion to reject the standard system and present something bogus in the name of a newly invented process of yoga. The supreme ancient system of yoga pertains to the soul. Presently, in America especially, Hatha yoga is very popular. It appeals to fat ladies who go to the classes to reduce and keep their digestive systems regular. Many people are interested in this kind of gymnastic yoga, but real yoga is adhyatmika. Adhyatmika means to awaken the soul to his proper position. The soul is Purusha, spirit, and his business is to reconnect his lost relationship with Krishna. Herein, Kapila Deva says that he previously delivered this yoga system to the great rishis, the great sages. This is the process of Shravana, hearing. One must be very eager to hear, for spiritual life begins with hearing. Ata Shri Krishna Namadi na bhaved grahyam indriyai sevan mukhehi jivadau swayam eva spuratyada. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.2.234. It is thus stated in the Shastras that it is not possible to appreciate or understand Krishna with our blunt material senses. Krishna's name, form, qualities, pastimes, paraphernalia, and abode are all part and parcel of Krishna. However, understanding Krishna begins with hearing and chanting his name. Then there is his form. Generally, for the neophyte, these items are essential. To hear his name and qualities and see and worship his form. That is Krishna's personal instruction. Manmanabhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Quote, Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Offer obeisances and worship me." Unquote. Bhagavad Gita 9.34. Bhagavan Shri Krishna is present in the temple deity, and even if a child comes to offer his respects, he is counted as a devotee. A small child may not know anything, but simply by seeing the deity, chanting and dancing, he is benefited. Temples are meant for everyone, to give everyone a chance to advance in Krishna consciousness one step at a time. Svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Quote, "A little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear." Unquote. Bhagavad Gita 2.40. Even if we do a little on the path of bhakti, it goes to our account. For instance, if we deposit only $2 in a savings bank, it is kept in our account and it will increase with interest. Similarly, if one performs even a little devotional service, it is not lost. One may come and join this Krishna consciousness movement, render some service, and after a while fall down. However, whatever service has been rendered is to one's permanent credit. That will never be lost. When one begins again, he begins at the point where he left off. This is the instruction of Bhagavad Gita 6.41. Shuchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Brashto Bhijayate. Quote, "The unsuccessful yogi is born into a family of righteous people or into a family of rich aristocracy." Unquote. Thus, if one fails to perfect his bhakti yoga, he is given another chance in the next life. According to a Bengali poem, Shuchihaya Muchihaya Yadi Krishna Tyaje, Muchihaya Shuchihaya Yadi Krishna Bhaje. If one takes to Krishna consciousness, even if he is born in a family of a cobbler, Muchi, he becomes greater than a Brahmana, Shuchi. However, if one is born in a Brahmana family and gives up Krishna consciousness, he becomes a Muchi, a cobbler. Thus, the door of devotion is open to everyone, whoever he may be. Krishna himself says that regardless of one's position, if one simply takes shelter of him, one can approach the supreme destination. Mam hi partha vyapashritya yepi syuh papayonayaha striyo vaishyas tatha shudras tepi yanti param gatim. Quote, "O son of Pritha, those who take shelter in me, though they may be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, merchants, as well as Shudras, workers, can approach the supreme destination." Bhagavad Gita 9.32. And Srila Shukadeva Goswami says, Kirata hunandra pulinda pulkasha abhira shumbha yavanah kasadaya yenyecha papayad apashraya shraya shudyanti tasmai prabhavishnave namaha. Quote, Kirata, Huna, Andhra, Pulinda, Pulkasha, Abhira, Shumba, Yavana and the Kasa races, and even others who are addicted to sinful acts can be purified by taking shelter of the devotees of the Lord, due to His being the supreme power. I beg to offer my respectful obeisances unto Him." Unquote. Srimad-Bhagavatam 2.4.18. Krishna consciousness is so complete that it is all-embracing. It is all-embracing. We're going to stop here for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. The link to this book is in the description. Please check out our website shravanamdiaries.com, and we shall see you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.